video, I am going to teach you how to create a stunning video using Kapwing. Kapwing is an online editor that simplifies video creation, allowing you to craft engaging content swiftly and with ease. Whether you're new to video editing or a seasoned pro, this platform has all the tools you need to bring your vision to life. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to kapwing.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option to start a new project right from your dashboard. Go ahead and click on Create New Project. This will transport you to the main editing workspace where all the magic happens. Now it's time to import your media. Kapwing provides several options for bringing in your content. You can click on the Upload button and choose files directly from your computer. If you have a link to online media, you can paste that in as well. Additionally, Kapwing offers the ability to record straight from your camera or microphone, which is a handy feature if you want to add a personal touch to your project. With your media ready to go, it's time to arrange your clips on the timeline. Look towards the bottom of the screen, and you'll see your workspace transform into a timeline. From here, simply drag the media from the left panel onto the timeline. Need to rearrange clips? No problem. You can easily drag them left or right to find the perfect sequence. To trim clips, click and drag the edges until you achieve your desired length. Once your clips are organized, it's time to get creative by adding text, images, or other elements to your video. Click on text located in the left menu to insert titles, captions, or subtitles. You can position these directly on the canvas and resize as needed to suit your style. This flexibility ensures that your video communicates exactly what you'd like it to. Kapwing also empowers you to apply edits and effects, further enhancing your content. By selecting a clip in the timeline, you'll unlock a host of edit options. These include cropping, adjusting the speed, applying filters, or even removing backgrounds. If you're looking to add seamless transitions, the Transitions tab allows you to insert fades or wipes between clips effortlessly. For those interested in enriching the audio landscape of their video, check the Audio tab to insert music tracks or voiceovers. Now that your creation is complete, it's time to export your video. Head to the top right corner and click Export Project. You have the choice to export your project as an MP4 video or even as a GIF, depending on your needs. Once that's done, you're ready to download the file or share it via a handy Kapwing link, sharing your masterpiece with the world. And there you have it, a complete guide to crafting your video masterpiece using Kapwing. I hope you found this tutorial both informative and easy to follow.